Hello, dear English teachers. I have seen that you have troubles in finding the audio recordings of the textbooks for the 5th till the 12th grade. So that's why I have created this tutorial. So here are the steps to find and download the audio recordings. So first you need to open the page with the link that you will find in this posting. So the name of the site is English for Moldova. So it looks like this. Then go to Forms 512. So here are all the forms from the 5th till the 12th. You choose a form. For example, I will choose the 5th form. Then choose the unit. So here are all the units. For example, I will choose Unit 1, Lesson 6. Press here. And like this is the recording. So if you have internet and a computer in your classroom, you can listen online. And you have to press here.
Unit 1, Lesson 6. My cousin John lives in a house in the country. It is a farm region in Kent in the south of England. They have an old farmhouse, about 100 years old, with thick walls.
But if you don't have internet, you can download at home. For example, you have to press here. Then press here when it's ready.
Unit 1,
so this
Lesson
is the
6.
recording downloaded.
My cousin John lives in a house in the country. It is a farm region in
This
Kent
audio recording you will find in downloads in your computer. So these are all the steps. Hope you will find this tutorial useful. And goodbye.